up, guys? And in today's video log, I'm gonna talk about what I learned about my craft today, and just staying really focused on building my skills and defining what skills I want to build. And yeah, so every day I'm just trying to learn and get better at having a web design agency. That's literally all I'm trying to do, right? And so every day I want to just learn something new, learn how to, streamline my operations, get more sales, provide more value to my clients without adding new services. Whether it's through better design, better copywriting on the site, providing them better recommendations as to lawyers or SaaS companies they can use to generate their privacy policies, whatever it is in relation to the website. How do I provide more value, right? So today, something I learned is this service called Termageddon, which is basically they provide you privacy policies, disclaimers, terms and conditions, all sorts of legal documents you need on your website. And so now that I have this service, right, there's a referral program they have with web agencies. And so I can refer Termageddon to my clients, right? And I can refer them to Termageddon, and as a result, I'm able to, come in and provide value to my clients because I'm able to refer them to a company that can set them up with legal documents for their website that's going to keep them protected and also automatically update as privacy laws change, which is really cool. And also, I'm going to have it for my own website, right? Termageddon is going to give me one for my agency website, which means I'm protecting myself better, right? So I'm learning about legal documents when it comes to websites and applications, really just software, right? So today I'm learning to provide more value to my client. And it may not seem like a lot in the short term, but every day, if I just keep building up my business like that, I think I will make a lot of money. And I'm definitely not switching business models till I'm at least 10, 20K USD profit per month. Until I'm at that point, there shouldn't be a thought of switching to anything. It's just this is the business, let's water the grass here, and let's grow it. And then if we're at 10, 20K USD profit, and we're yeah, you know what, I want to switch. At that point, when I have an emergency fund of money saved up for myself, and I'm also making 10 to 20K USD profit per month consistently for a few months, at that point, I can think, okay, maybe we should switch my business model, right? But until then, it's a web design agency. We're going to get good at it. We're going to focus on just improving it every day and ignoring all of the other models that are out there right now. This doesn't have to be my whole life, but right now, as my first venture. And so that's the first part of my video. The second part of my video is I'm also trying to see it as this has a longer term future for me. I may be having a web design agency right now, but if I zoom out and look at the skills that I'm developing, I'm learning UI UX design, because every website, if you're selling good websites, should have good UI UX, okay? I'm also learning marketing, okay? Because I'm learning how to copyright for the websites, do conversion optimization, track things, run ads. So I'm learning marketing, okay? And I'm also learning software development, okay? Why am I learning software development? Because you need to host the websites. There's caching, there's CDNs, there's SEO, there's all sorts of code that goes underneath this stuff. At the end of the day, a website is just code. So like when I zoom out, I realize that with my business model, I'm learning UI UX design, I'm learning marketing, and I'm learning software development, right? Or let's just call it software. I'm learning software. Software engineering, let's call it software engineering. And those three skills are extremely valuable and can build business models that have been proven to be some of the world's most scalable business models, like a software as a service company, right? So I'm just focusing on the fact that like the skills I'm building are invaluable. And I would say the last skill is like AI. Like I'm trying to, because AI kind of ties in with software, I feel. So, and I'm trying to integrate it into my business with like using ChatGPT to do copywriting. There's tools like Framer, which is like an AI website builder. Even Elementor, like one of the page builders I use to make websites, they already have AI tools to like auto generate layouts. There's what's that one called? I can't remember it, but it's like it does auto wireframes for websites. So like yeah, like when I'm zooming out, I realize that I'm by just focusing in on the web design agency ruthlessly and ignoring all the other lawns. Um, I'm also developing my skills of UI UX design, marketing, and then software and AI, right? And those three skills are very, very useful skills to have for the future, right? Very useful skills to have for my future if I were to start a different business model down the road. Once after I'm at 10 to 20K USD profit per month consistently. So yeah, I think long term, the skills that I'm developing here by focusing ruthlessly on this agency are going to serve me long term. These are skills that will serve me long term in my future entrepreneurial ventures, but also by focusing ruthlessly, I can get to my short term goals, which is 3K per month Canadian and then 10K USD. This is profit, by the way, and then 20K USD profit, right? So that's essentially like my point is like it has this model has the short-term value and the long-term value that I'm looking for. And so I want nothing but to focus ruthlessly on it and develop my craft every single day, whether it's learning how to find the best privacy policies and terms and conditions agreements for the websites, learning how to keep the websites up to date, learning how to have better UI, better UX, better conversions, how to track things better, how to make things more compliant, choosing a niche, acquiring clients quicker, developing things faster, all that stuff. So, yeah. And this is really important to me because I've had lots of distractions where I just keep looking at other people's business models, and it's like, I just got to focus ruthlessly on this, and I know I'll succeed, right? So, yeah. Peace. I will see you tomorrow.